ride like scooters like wolves do. First you start scootering and then you go up and you stop where you want to. Like this. Then you turn. Then you do it again. Let me show you how I do it. And this is the last and final part. The one I did. Then we do those three. Can you go get some more drinks for me? Can you go get another Sprite drink for me, Bella? I'll hold the towel. Watch out!
Watch out, those wheels roll. Emily, give me a thumbs up when you want to stop recording.
Okay. The last and final one! Okay, here he starts out with people, the wolf, anyway. And that's
Emily, and say after this we have another wolf dance party.
And after this, we're gonna have another wolf dance party. Yeah, we are. Woo! That means party on! Get in your suits and get the party. Kids, if you want to do this at home, make sure you are a real werewolf.
Tell them what we
I'll show you the
have.
regular way how we do it.
This is how to know if you are a real werewolf.
You gotta bite your own self, and if you see a mark, that means you're a werewolf. And so, and
Also, you have to howl good.
Stuff. That means you can do these stuff that we're doing.
Oh, is it really not?
And then you'll be famous just like us. So get back to party and let's go.
Drake keeps texting me that. You scared me.
Yeah, I see.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Sometimes werewolves fall and slip.
Yeah. You're gonna run someone over.
What's another wolf song, Emily?
We got a feeling. We got a feeling.
Ready to go? Girls,
Okay.
we have to. Audrey's got cheer practice.
Well, we're starting to be famous, sir.
We got a few more minutes to be famous.
We're gonna be famous all time.
You will be famous all her life.
Right, Audrey? You're gonna be famous all your life.
New York.
You're gonna be famous all your life. Look how tall we fought. And we love dogs.
Proves it can.
We also love dogs.
Expose bone to damaging conditions.
We're making the YouTube video for them.
Guess
We
what?
have
Guess
a
what?
channel.
Look it!
We're
Look,
the
the
famous.
little dog. Emily, look! You ready to do the video?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a
We're
wolf
famous.
party. Audrey, how to go dance? Audrey.
I don't know. That was so bad. Why is the lighting like that? Hold on, let's do that.
She's a cheerleader, not an alpha. Lay me on my cross. Show me what I got. Show what I got. We are the call to the wire. We are the call.
At the end, say y'all's names.
And also, I'm with Felicity, and she's Winter.
This is from Zombies as well.
What are you drinking? There is a big shadow right here. Here, the rest of this.
You're in our YouTube video. Audrey, he has your wig.
Give me back my wig.